are placed to do only those things that will promote the youth in general and Lagos State in particular. Let us go through the vote and proceedings.
Vote and proceedings.
After going through the vote and proceedings, Honorable Ogunleye, Honorable Oluwa.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Good afternoon.
Honorable Ajayi.
Madam Speaker.
Honorable Afini.
Thank you, Madam. I hereby call that the DG of the DSS should be called upon to explain to the House the reasons behind the inflation of the Lagos State House of Assembly. That he should please call his men to order that whatever collateral damages that might have happened should be recorded on them. That the governor of Lagos State, that I call on all our political leaders to stop these shenanigans before it leads to death of any members of the Lagos State House of Assembly, because the House has been desecrated and armed men to come to the chamber with weapons. That the governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, as the chief security officer of the state, should please come to our aid and set up a panel to unravel what led to the invasion.
If there are issues, they should approach the leadership. If there are issues anywhere, they are procedures. We fought when we are in the university level that there must be democracy in this country. What we've seen today, I don't know what we are going to tell our children. That we have to force ourselves to our own chamber. And I knew that all our elders, all our leaders that stood for democracy in this period will not be happy seeing what we saw today.
This is not the first time they will remove a speaker. Doko Pelumi was removed in this house. Heaven does not fall. Honorable Joshua was removed. Heaven does not fall. Just of recent, it happened in Ogun State. Heaven does not fall. Why is our own? We have done it with truthfulness and sincerity. We have no reason to turn back. Madam Speaker, we are totally with you. You go nowhere. Nobody's removing you.